All right. It was our third team meeting tonight, and it was finally my turn to be the leader. I feel like it went really, really well. Our two tasks were to go through the Prezi we have started and share out, and then to go through the rubrics, see what needs to be strengthened, and then create next steps based on that, and then decide when we'll all have the final edits finished by. Um, I really saw great leadership from Serenade tonight. I feel like last week was really tough on her because her audio was going out and she was such a trooper to get through that. But tonight she gave just incredible feedback, especially to Angie on kind of how to clarify and make a connection on one of her slides for to hopefully help us with our rubric to like make sure that you really understand what's going on and what we identified as the problem. So that was really great to see. I also think that this group really collaborated well with like no one felt like anyone was stepping on each other's toes. We were really just complimentary, but also able to say, I think that maybe this needs to happen. Um, and then take that in, reflect, and be like, yeah, that'll make for a better project. So I think overall, this entire process has really taught me that, as I've told you so many times, I'm conflict averse and like I don't want to hurt people's feelings. And so maybe I wouldn't have said to Angie what Serenade did, but our project is going to be so much better because she was able to give that constructive feedback of like, it looks great, but maybe we should change this a little bit. So it's really great to see that kind of leadership in action because it is a weakness that I see in me. So being able to have it modeled for me was really great tonight. And I don't think that there's anything that I would have done differently. I'm proud of how I did and excited for to take on more leadership opportunities at school. Thanks.